Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your balance on MetaTrader 5 app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 5 app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaTrader 5 apps on in the screen. So now if you want to check your balance, then what you can basically do is there is a trade option at the bottom of this dashboard or watch list. So let's tap on the trade, which is at the right side of this chart icon, chart option. So you can see there is a balance in here. You can see your equity and pre-margin as well. So basically in this section you will be able to check your balance on MetaTrader 5 app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.